Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the Dow Jones futures. For the record, today is Thursday, December 14th. Time is around 5 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the daily chart, and as you can see, we made a new all-time high in the Dow Jones. We took out the high right here, the January 2020 high, and yeah, one of in my next video and my next higher time frame analysis, I will rearrange this count a bit. I will explain this in my higher time frame analysis and why exactly. But for now, no matter what, we have a significant low right here. So it looks like we have our wave 2 low in right here. In earlier videos, I already explained that it became quite clear that we started a new cycle from here, from this low. And then in a later video, I also told you that it became quite clear that we are now having 5 waves here in this structure and no longer 3 waves. So therefore, from the low right here, we are now working on a first impulse as indicated here in green. As you can see, looks very strong in the daily. Let's have a closer look at the 4 hour. So here in the 4 hour, after the important economic events we saw another nice push up, another nice reaction to the upside. But with regard to RSI, the observations is actually not changed, in the sense that the structure here in the 4 hour still looks like an ending structure, 5 waves, and or or RSI divergence is still there. So 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with the strongest RSI reading here somewhere in wave 3 of 3. And what we have now is still divergence here in our 5th wave. If we would take out the RSI high right here, then we have to switch to the count here in red, where we had probably a wave 1 right here, a very shallow wave 2 pullback. This whole structure was characterized by shallow pullbacks. The pullbacks were almost non-existing. We just have a kind of a straight line here from the low right here. So if we would take out the RSI reading right here, then yeah, I believe we have to switch to the count in red, where the wave 1 is right here, shallow wave 2, and where we might be working on the wave 3 right here as indicated in red. But for now, with the data we have, the structure looks still ending, and so then this would be an ending impulse as this wave 1. If we go to the 1 hour in the lower time frame, so from this low right here, it looks like yeah, this cycle is not finished yet. This is ending too strong, although technically, if we zoom in, we actually have a high with divergence, as you can see. But so something like this could be possible, but I tend to interpret this here as the wave 3, with this here as the wave 3 of 3, and so I would still expect something like a 4 and a 5 here on the lower time frame. Although in the 4 hour it looks completed, but this here can still happen, of course. So this is what we see in the 1 hour, and then in the 15 minutes, like I said, like this here could be an ending structure, but I tend to interpret it as or wave 3, actually. So okay, that's it for the Dow Jones. In conclusion, here in the 4 hour, we still have an ending structure, 5 waves divergence. It becomes problematic, or I mean problematic for the bearish case, if we would take out the high right here, then I would tend to switch to the count here in red, where this is wave 1, shallow wave 2, and then yeah, even more upside. And on the lower time frame, it looks like we still need something, an additional move. This here is ending quite strong, and this is usually not the case with an impulse. Okay, that's it for now. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you one of the next days for another update on the Dow Jones. Have a nice day. Bye bye.